Hey everyone, check out the TIVOLI Camping Hatchet, a versatile survival axe perfect for outdoor adventures. Made from high-quality steel, it easily splits wood and features a unique wolf pattern that adds style. The comfortable grip allows for chopping, splitting, carving and hammering with one hand. This multi-purpose tool includes a sharp axe head and a pickaxe for breaking ice or windows. At 34 centimeters long with a full tang design, it offers safety and durability during use. Heat-treated for extra hardness, the sharp balanced head ensures long-lasting performance and maximum safety. Packaged in a stylish gift box with a nylon sheath, it's an ideal gift for any outdoor enthusiast. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.